Qualities that makes carpet steam cleaners popular to the customers. You will find a number of professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne. Not all of them are equally competent and famous, only a few are. There are some qualities that make them more famous than the others. What are they? Experience and success, flexibility, transparency and cost-effectiveness, promptness, access to the latest tools. Thus, these are the qualities that put a professional carpet steam cleaning service in Melbourne ahead of the others. We at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne are known for all these qualities. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.